Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. As you can see, the sky how it looks like, and guys, we thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So, in case you're new here, guys, subscribe, like, share to my channel, guys. And that's how my house looks like. So on today's videos I want to take you around, and then on the title suggests I'm going to visit my grandma at the hospital. So right now, guys, I want to do quick and fast, like taking you around, see how things go, and then I think I'll go to Border Town to buy some oranges, and then deliver to her. Although, guys, I made a videos very early in the morning, and it's a call from the doctor. We need to rush up very early in the morning, guys. So the video will join up. So if you see these videos and then maybe in the morning it's another part, I'll join together, guys. So I have been there in the morning. I see the situation for my grandma, and then I decide, you know what, let me buy for her some oranges. Even yesterday, guys, I talk on my videos like I'm going to buy some oranges. The dog need to go outside. Muita, fungulire umbu yende nje. Yeah, if the dog wants like going to outside, it's like bring some signs. So today's an holiday, guys. It's I'm shooting these videos around Friday, guys. Bruno, go out. Yes. Yeah, the dog needs to go outside. It's very happy, guys. Let's. Okay, funga hapa. Yeah. So these are our small roundaries for our clothes. So we hang outside, and then that's the sign of or method of drying the clothes, guys. Wow. Let me see. Yeah. Hey, this is what is serving, guys, because at this moment the borehole dry up. I see my brother like it's a shoemaker. What are you doing here? Yeah,
I'm preparing some shoes because I've been.
These are your shoes?
Yeah.
This one? Are you a footballer?
Yeah.
So first introduce yourself.
So good morning, guys. Welcome to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Samuel Muita. Actually, I'm the third born to Hello Baby, and today is an holiday. I'm just around here and I'm preparing. Yeah, it is just I'm doing my routine, my daily routine. Yeah.
This is your shoes?
Yeah.
Are you a footballer?
Yeah.
Maybe somebody, guys, watching these videos from outside there. I'm asking my brother, are you a footballer? Iko hapa. Are you a footballer?
Yeah.
So this is your shoes?
Yeah.
That you are playing with a football?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, like you're not faking things. How do you manage like to shoot boom like a football, and then I see your shoes have some, look, guys, it's something crazy. How do you feel? Did you feel comfortable with these shoes?
No, it's not comfortable, but it is just prevent me from injury. Yeah.
And how much these shoes cost? Maybe
it just costs 1,500.
1,500?
Yeah.
That's around $15, guys. 1,500 Kenyan shillings. Look, guys, me, I'm not faking things. So he wanna prepare, and then because today's a holiday, going to the field. Today?
Yeah.
At which place?
We have at Nyambare down there.
A tournament?
No, it's just a friend.
Friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, friendly football match. And also here we have also my cousin. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello guys, my name is Nebi Price is official. Okay guys, I make a request for you. Go and check me on YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel, please.
Yes, guys, but for him decided to open a YouTube channel and then running the videos. Everybody have some careers. That's how we make the shoes. I think if I get money, I will buy for you another new shoes, because if you have your career or some goals, to play a football, you need to have full combat.
Yeah.
Like socks, shoes, you know.
Yeah, games. Yeah, it just means a games kit.
Yes, full combat, game stick, you know. I don't want to see you struggling. Look at this total mess. Look, this one. But this one is not original.
Yeah.
You have original?
Yeah, we have original, but it is cost 5,000.
5,000?
Yeah.
But the fake one like this, 1,500.
Yes.
Original,
It is cost 5,000.
5,000
Yeah.
Kenyan shillings.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, guys, you know, this one is a fake one because just like it's covered by the polythene, something like polythene, you know.
We buy this because of economy.
Because of economy.
Yeah.
Guys, we understand because of the economy, but the original it's 5,000. That's closer to around $40, guys, you know. Maybe $40 to $45. In terms of dollars, guys, I'm not accurate, but in Kenyan shillings, the original one cost 5,000, but the fake one like this 1,500. Because of our economy, guys, we understand, you know. Okay, you continue.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best. Yeah. So guys, let me take you other side, and then to see how things go. This is our small kitchen, and oh, we have a lemon here. No, that one they have been cut it and put on the porridge. So this is how a small kitchen looks like. And me, what I keep on my mind, if I finish building my mama house, next thing is to demolish this house, building for my two brothers' house, also for the visitors' house, and then I come back to the kitchen. I need to renovate or to transform our family step by step. So guys, I want to take you outside to see how the day goes, and then I'll come to take my breakfast, taking you around. Anyway, guys, welcome outside. Should I take that way or that way, guys? But for the real sense, let me go that way because I see my brother's mess on the other side. Check it out. So this is my baby here, and very in the morning I shoot the videos with my mama. We went to visit our grandma because I had the call from the doctor, guys. So technically, let's go this way. And I see the I still know the woman, like our old woman who like embracing me, guys, during our first project of making blocks, making chaos. So guys, may I say it, guys, thank you so much. Without you, I couldn't have this bike because it's my pure hard working, and then I get this bike, and then it helps us. Imagine it takes us from here going to the hospital looking for our grandma, and then also it takes us from here going to school for my brother where he studied. Actually, these stars means it shows which flag have the stars, guys, like many. I think US. So this is my baby, guys. So I'm gonna head this way, guys. These videos it's another amazing videos ever, and let's go and see, guys, you know. Wow, guys, that being said, earlier in the morning I was being hospital, so I need to buy some oranges and then the river because I didn't shoot the introduction because it's very in the morning, but I'll join that videos here, and then I think it will be the part of the last videos. Wow. But on my yesterday videos I planned, you know what, today I'm supposed to buy some oranges, going and visit my grandma to the hospital. But in the morning, very in the morning, we are on sleep. We receive the call, and then we rush out, guys. Yeah. If they can dry this maize today, let me say like 3 days continuously, but no sun, like hot. When it's like a lot of sun here, this one could be dry like 3 to 4 days, and then they sell it this maize. Also, yeah, I see my dog running, man. Look. Oh. No, Bruno. Yeah. I see it's happy, guys, when the dog will release outside. But what makes me, I don't want to release my dog outside when I'm not around here. It's because when the villager found the dog maybe around the road, they will chase him, throw the stones, maybe cut the dog, So that's the reason why, guys, I keep tight my dog on chain, because I need to protect my dog, man. So let's go that way, guys. Yeah. So for my great grandma, the home's right there. That's my grandma home, like my parents' home, right? My dad's home. So that's my great grandma, So look that dog, man. Look how it's coming. Oh, Bruno. Bruno. High five. Hey, this dog is growing quick and fast, guys, and it's very clean. Like no termites. It's termites or not. But I need to wash. I'm supposed to wash my dog again, and then I treat them. I deworm my dog. You can't imagine, guys. I bought this dog around $3, while it's a small puppy. I give them food, and day by day. There's a day, guys, I would decide to buy some cages of meat, and then I cook for my dog. Who knows? Yeah, I need my dog to be looking smart, and then also I'll make a kennel for my dog. Yeah, at least at night it can give us full security, guys. Okay, it's purely clean, guys. Yeah, sometimes it's good to show my dog some love, guys. I love my dog. Look at it. No, kneel down, Bruno. Kneel down. No. Let me see this stuff. No, you don't want? Okay, you go. What's happened? Oh my God. What's happened, bro? What's happened? Really? No, stop it, Bruno. Yeah, there's something here. I need to remove my dog, but Bruno didn't want. Right. Hey. Yeah, the car grazing at this point. See, guys, but I didn't see our cows here. The car grazing here, guys, you can see. So I'm checking the avocados here, where it's ready, and then we come in the evening, we peel it, because I think last week I tested one avocados here. They are purely good, man, like a blue band, like the taste just like a blue band, man. So we have a lot, you can see, guys, but my camera didn't zoom. I hope it testified. Like this, it's in K2. We have avocados here, but I see some bigger one right here. We have another one inside there. So I'll come with one of my, I think my cousin or my brother who I found, and then we peel it. Look at this. Imagine. We have something free here on the ground. Well, let's go. Goats are great right here. Yeah, this is the kind of life, guys, that we are living, and we try to chase maybe some economic, away. Other people are living in poverty way, but we try to do something which can help us to improve day by day, guys. Wow. Yeah, for sure, guys. We can't imagine where we started from. I was born in the house of like a small muddy house. The roof have been covered by the grass, that traditional house. And then my parents, both of them, they're hard working, and then they build the old house that you see there, and then another one and go that way. So unfortunately my dad passed away, so we're remaining with my mom, and she was working so hard. When I was a kid, both my parents give me some advice. It's supposed to be like this, especially my mom. It's supposed to be like this, like that. The way you see me, I just like grinding so hard, doing things right, left, center. It's because of my parents, man. Good advice, and when you see maybe somebody's good or in the other way, it's because of the parent, how they take them, how they treat them, since they were being child up to now. So on my yesterday videos, I saw people say, or maybe you must cover your sand alongside with bricks, because I saw on the other side, I think, and this is my sand here, and I want to give some notification. I want maybe some kids to play with this sand, because I bought this sand at a cheaper price, like not cheaper, guys, at a higher price. Sorry for that. And it's not a pure, man, really. Anyway, it is what it is. I don't know whether it can build or not yet, but let's give God's hopes. Maybe it will work. Anyway, so me, I covered around by using stones. Also, some this stuff here. So I think, guys, for the next, I hope next month, maybe when the weather is good, I supposed to buy 2 trip like this. This is the rough, I need the smooth one. When maybe the engineer see maybe this one is good or is not good or is medium, they can mix up, yeah, guys, hope for the best. Yeah, right. When I'm passing here, when I see this, I said, God, thank you for everything that I do. Man, it's not an easy thing to have material on the ground. Look, there's a hen here. Actually, it's for my sister's hen. Wow. Today the cow grazing, our cow like chilling here. No worry. Yeah. Guys, let's see something to eat, and then I'm gonna wear the jacket, heavy jacket, heading to Border Town, buying those stuff. Sweet home, best home. Yeah. So our boundary reach at this point here, where you see this mark, you know, going up to down. Wow. Alright guys, let me wash my hand because I was playing with my dog. Wow. And then I rinse my hand, guys. Alright guys, let me go inside to have my breakfast right now. Right here we have like 2 chapati. It's enough for me, and also milk tea, guys. You know, enjoying life, you know. So let me pray for my food. Amen, guys. Yeah, it's good. Say God thank you for the food that we have here. You know. Wow, Daddy. Tangesekera. Wow. Chapati. When you come to my village, especially in my home, you eat this chapati because we bought like full bag of the flour making chapati and there, you know. And I have my solid subscribers outside there, like who take care of my family, and me I wanna say may God bless you abundant and give you longer life, you know. Without you guys, I couldn't put something like this on table, but maybe we struggle. Like when I was a kid, we eat chapati maybe during Christmas Day, and also when maybe we have some celebration, maybe around at home or our neighbors. That's the time or a day you can see maybe chapati how it looks like. But the normal days, no. But me, I thank God nowadays, guys. We eat chapati anytime as we want. Maybe mandazi, anything, you know. It's by God grace, and me. I give God thanks for every day, and also I give thanks for everybody who watching my videos day by day. So follow the vibe to the end, guys. Let me enjoy the food, and then we shall meet on the next videos, guys, where I'm going to Border Town. Let me enjoy, guys. Test with you. As you can see how the day looks like, and I've already take my strong breakfast. Right now I'm heading to Border Town, and I'm going to buy some fruits, guys, especially on oranges, and then deliver toward my grandma. So these are continuation videos, and then I will mix up with the like morning videos. So if you see my videos, I have this maybe sweaters, and then in the morning I have another jacket. Don't be confused, guys, you know. So let's go. Yeah. So guys, I'm going slowly, you know. Wow, super green, guys, but today the weather is gloomy, you know, since morning, guys. I can't complain at all, you know. But we flow in vibe, man. You know. Also, I'm gonna put the fuel because I can run my motorbike. It's empty, guys, right here. Let's move. That's the part of our neighbor. There's a shop right now. They have been open, banana plantation, you know. Right. Let's go. And that's my open, guys, right there. You know. Oh. Look at that. Hey. People are riding here like at a higher speed, and then the kids are doing rides here. Mnamwendesha pole pole. Hey. Hello baby.
Hello baby.
Official. Yes. Madam, here. They ask my YouTube name, and then maybe they can go and subscribe. You know, that's the best way you can promote. Hello baby official. Let's move, guys. Nowadays people know when they see you with camera, they know it's the part of YouTube, like content creator. Oh my god, the truck put there. Whew. It's pushing the rubbish. My god, it's totally smelling, man. Instead of recycle them or disposal, like they left them like everywhere. Vipi? Right. Alright guys, maybe I'll go first. I pick the oranges and then I come back. You know, I took my bike, I put the gas here. So guys, right now I'm in Tarmac Road, hitting the border town. That's the kind of matatu that we have here. Hey, TX Land Cruiser Prado. Yeah, other people are driving machine here. Big stuff. Heading to Border Town, guys. You know, for my new subscriber, I'm taking to Border Town. But today I was been here, guys, making some shopping, and also, yeah, one day if you come to my village, I'll take you here round, man, from other stuff. So there's some business going on here of buying and selling of maize, you know, buying and selling, you know? Like we buy from Tanzania. Oh, that shit right there, that's smooth. Border town for you. Full sacks of maize right here, as you can see. You know. Woo. Hey, hey. Right, let's move. This is border town, guys, for you. Woo. Real hustle, guys. See right here? Real hustle, man. Whoa. Wow. Woo. Wow, 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 wow. And it's a gloomy day, guys. People are on heavy sweaters, guys. Oh. Yeah, I love to come in border town because of the good vibe, good vibe, good vibe, good vibe. That's a matatu right here because of the good vibe, you know. Unauzaje bro? Eh? Hivyo 50. Aha. Na embe?
Embe ni 50-50.
Moja? Imagine guys, one mango like this, it's a half a dollar. Niweke tu maembe 100 lakini kesho nakuletea pesa.
Ngapi?
100 tu. Weka 90, afu weka na kifika 10 bob.
Nikuwekea.
Napelekea mgonjwa. Weka ya 90. Umesema 5 ni 100. So you buy some oranges and then you ni ngapi? 50. Weka ya 40. Ukadirie afu nipe na mfuko. So this is border town, guys. Club Kana is right here. Haya. Na mfuko wa 10. Leo sasa na deni yako nyingi. Lakini nataka na nyingi nikilipa.
Atiri ungenilipa sitaweza.
Sasa inasumbua. Kesho. Si mimi niko mimi nikuletea kukuletea. Hii ni biashara, siwezi kufanya mchezo. Nani? Nani? Mkora si alinyang'anya brada mwingine hapo.
Si hata mimi nilinyang'anywa simu mchana na hela. Haki ya Mungu.
Kwani una pole
na.
Kwa nyuma.
Hata
siku hizi pesa hakuna.
Pesa hakuna.
Yeah, I deliver this to my grandma. Haya, asante. Kesho. Imagine naenda Maabera.
Haya, mwana.
90 gani? Weka 200, sina kutumia kwa simu, send money.
200 unataka kama 100?
Niko na 100 kwa simu ya Kenya na hii mara. Kana mbana
hii ni 190 sasa.
Tukiwa 90. Mbona mnakata shilingi 10?
Hii ni 90.
90. 90 ama 190?
Yes, ni 90. Sio 100.
Nimeona hii mafuta itanifikisha miguuni. Guys, I'm putting the gas here. Churu. For $1. It's really nice. No problem. Today's a whole day. Unashanga. Shanga. No problem. Mbona nikulipe? Si hadi mimi nimekufanyia siku. Shares zako zitaenda juu. Alright guys. I'm keep going. You know, one more at a time. It's a gloomy day, man. Wow. From other side, it's supposed to rain anytime, guys. You know. Let's go and see. Car is racing right now. And I realized, guys, earlier to wear the jacket because since morning it's glooming, and right now it shows you anytime it's gonna rain, you know, serious rain, guys. Wow, look at that house. There's our MP. Oh, Marcus Ruby Nyamabe, guys. Nyamabe, yeah. He was a nice politician, guys, you know. He supports some students go to school, you know, give healthcare to people, you know. Wow, look at that house. Super amazing, man. All right. Let's go. That's my better center, guys, for you. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, you know. Road to success, man. That's how my bed looks like. Actually, guys, today is on a holiday, you know, for the Muslim, and we have the mosque right here. Good for all. There's a Catholic church on this side here. It means so guys, I think we shall meet inside the hostel, giving my grandma some fruits, some oranges, guys. And oh, namaro, mano cons. Hawa tu bitu sindan. Aku nampak ini cung. Hawa tu bitu sindan. Well, guys, I'm just outside and it's very in the morning. As you can see, it's a gloomy day. So to wake up in the morning like this, it's not my regular time, guys. And let me confirm the time as we go. It's almost, guys, 2 o'clock, like 8 a.m. in the morning. So we're heading outside, I myself and my mama. So actually, guys, you were watching my videos. There's a day I went to see my grandma, and right now, guys, I received the call. We're supposed to rush to the hospital to check our grandma because she was in other mode. So I have the bike here, so I think I will find my mama on the other side. Boom. Even guys, I forget to accelerate my bike. But anyway, let's go. So, right there, that's my mama. It's around 8 a.m. my local time here. Wow, that's mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
I am good morning.
Yeah, you are good.
I am good.
Yeah. Tunaenda wapi sasa, ma'am?
Mabera kuona koko.
Yeah, we are heading to Mabera to check our great grandma right there because guys, I received the call around let me check how many minutes passed when I received that call, you know. Wow. Okay. I received the call around 7:47, so probably 23 minutes ago I was on the call. So we rush out, guys. You can see how the weather looks like, and yeah, let's go and see what's going on to the hospital, guys. You know, if you're watching my videos keenly, it is a day I went there. My mama like going very in the morning, a day like this or a time like this, so went to the hospital, and me maybe during daytime I go there. So let's go, guys, and see the code that I see. What does it mean? Because maybe it's not a regular call, you know. So mama, let's go. Wow, this is where I'm calling home, guys. They will stand once. I think. Wow. So guys, we are heading. We left home, guys, right now. See, that's our cows here. Let's go, guys, and see. Wow, it's a beautiful morning, but today the weather is so gloomy. You can see from this side here. Wow, and we're rushing out, guys. Johnny, yes. By supporting me, guys, to have a bike like this, you see, guys, how it helped me right, left, center, you know. Wow. So bad. Like, this road is so bad. I mean, watch these videos to the end. Leave the sweet comments on the comment section below, and let me know what you think about on today's videos, guys. You know, let's see, guys. And that's the main spot right there, guys. Sometimes it's crazy to shoot videos very in the morning, like a glooming day like this. It's very crazy, and also hard for me, you know. I need some iron sheet to cover my sides when I'm supposed to build. Let's go, guys, and see. There's some shops here. And also, guys, today's on Friday. It's a holiday, so no students here again. Up to Monday. Wow. We're close to Nyabohansa, guys. Some few meters apart. We reach Nyabohansa. Wow. Kids are playing here. Some rental house, guys. No, guys, every day it's an beehives activity, guys. What I believe, you know. So this is the entry of Nyabohansa. All right, guys. That's my rider, guys. You good? Say hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. How was your bike?
It's okay. It's fine. I'm controlling.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Yeah. He brings some cash. You know, $2 every day, guys. So let me keep it money, hurry. Guys, that's how Nyabohansa looks like. Very in the morning. You know, people are running up and down, looking something to put on table. Wow, super gloomy, guys. You can see harvesting of the sun right on the KK, you know. Hey guys, no man is over that I'm in the city chamber. Pogom.
Iki baru main tani bigi.
Tahira mama be mucha na.
Tani bigi.
Tana
Ane nasi yang kudu ni. Naono, nasi naono.
Tahira mama kuna shida imetokea kidogo.
Pogomba. Yoni. Imeripota aje. Yoni tatu mura.
Right, guys. Let me pause my videos here, guys. having my mama here. This is a hospital. Tired.
Gonna be here.
Alright guys, let's see. Yeah. Go for one. Alright guys, let's go. First floor. I think here, that way. Yeah, we just company with an elderly people right here. Ooh. Ndetsere kugomba ngogwe. Kugomba. Ngogo musumanise nawe.
Hapa.
Hapo kaika. Hapo kaika.
Kidogo.
Hata usiongeze maji, si ni kumpanguza tu. Ni baridi. Niangalie juu. Simamisha kichwa.
Ni umuntu atama kumuyoboya yakuri makuru gusagambiriwe
Kana twigure.
Nyo bano ba imireha yo mu mahuku muno kimbura mutebo ni gangi mugakura mutebo ni wanyumba 10 gucho haya mwangalie nyinyi wawili muende moini uraru agacha kutukuru hansi
Kila muntu mama hata Nyerere.
Haya simama huko na bibi yako.
Pole sana.
Asante.
Anuga to gutuma ndenge uringi umuhuru kahara.
Katumana kahara muntu akabura.
Muntu akabura na cheku haywale. Na kila satona wa stage ha.
Janga tumana hano muntu he. Anga banongo tumambo batakuru.
Bano boyeke bakuri bayikire.
Bashi. Ono. Numushiri kuikangu yo mukori. Ni kutoka na iburo na tata na baba. Tena gasarike muntu. Kino na asari na giye barabara hakeiwo. Ukinka yuni. Kaye. Tengo sarike muntu nange sagara ya nyumba. Namu wakawane. Arusi chingombe chigansoro. Omashomba. Kulanda kami karibu mwako na ota. Tata kami wangu tunule ngoite. ching'ombe chichirika ngatanura ngacho. Tacha kuwangana na muntu aragambige ngane no korigo usingane no korigo mashomba. Tacha kuwa ugomba sacho oge sakamatikana. Tacha kuwa muntu aragamba amashomba gengane no korigo kuru harinya kulima na kubana ba mashomba ke kinyuchi no mwakawane eyumuruchi go byanda byane bitindire buya nane anige tukekera nkubirikire irisagare Taranta mugano irisagare Nuo wahikire utuku yumbere. Nuo warobe yinyabonyi.
Maki.
Yongambire wekire kubomba.
Maki muzini koraha.
Mwana maruma bibi. Ninu bukima ngutuna ndale ni kinuru ndanyo ndarara. Abantu bane ke yumbaro kente bingura igantaka cyo umuntu aratara kuyambere hayuga tego nyakulima munaringi tego munatoringi na nyakulima ke uchire nangura himu akawane ishagarire wane goisiri
Nakamutebiri ngurahi nakamutebiri gams ndi ngurahi na wankini ngurahi uyu kubantu ba mama iponsu ngurahi ahanjire tata na ngurahi ba hanjire na tata na mpaka sasa umugigo mama inengo hanjire ira abana ba mama bahanje mo wa yesa wana tibane taro
Ahora kala warore sana na
ini kayu ina usikibane bana usikibane ngugu no kuhamangana na utuna hasiwika uyane
Akina kinko.
Ngani yanyuma bono boreya ya woyu sa ndabulaiga kinyatana le kulini wone ndegera ya kuliyoba gawa ya ino mome ani Mungu yagambire rumugo ndegera ya musiki yigarra tukumutura hansi hana batubiro uni mwana waigesa makemba ni ngurahi mwaka wana ano muntu acha kukeria nyumba wanga kulichokora gambira gisa kuga uraya usunde teyige uchi kukeria unga yiswiche umana ko habotoro komboto anga kugambira gisa kuga ala tokere ni tusokia ya gambira gisa kuga ya muntu atakacha kugambira gisa kuga unanengana yani anteyo burungira tegwe ngane yu muisiko mashomba tegwe ngane yu muisiko mashomba wabo nyamuhanga mashomba muhanga ni wale ndo maneno mashomba kule Agambuka tewe ngani umusiko machumba ngambiga neyu. Ukiri wonkeri ankeyo bongo ura isoko. Unde teiri tagatora ni karihe yonda gusanda. Ngani usoko nkero hikagesa kura ke muraya. Unono ni ngurahi meri gatega te kumaguru ko yo meri ya gansora. Wati yo kunyonga bora. Ina Marisa ile.
Ugambiriga nturayi.
Ngaya kumutuna tebi bunyo atagucha.
Natu mwana na antebiriga. We anatira antebi na antebi atiga Kenya mpaka ka. Uchare mwana. Mama tebi ni sasa ambe kwa ngotonora tusikaname. Mamba ni chendo kwa kanya ke kwa taraika.
Akina kule.
Mbona si.
Waninchi ninchi ma.
Kungo no.
Ninchi sorrono iganchu ikulubuhoro. Nchu ikulubuhoro. Lula etika yole tika ninchi. O ninchi hika kani karega tete wange bucha. Tindemi ko buhoro ne honde.
Waito
Tureye.
Iya.
Tureye.
Waito mpaka mkuu analeta sikeli ntramu. Hata mimi pale nyumbani napitanga kila siku huko na kianda kazi huko.
Unapitia huko
Kwa napitanga.
Bacha kukaa poni. Bono mbe aratunirwe biko bitatu atemiricha. Ndimkatia shamba. Lakini baada ya picha matibabu atapata. Biko bitatu. Ndio tunilo sasa. Ili wajue hii mguu imefika wapi. Kogoroko katika boro.
Umeona kweli?
Naona mguu.
Alright guys, it's time to go back home. When I reach back home, I will explain a little bit. You know, so it's bright morning, guys. You can see outside here. That. Right. I'm waiting also my mama. Let's go. That's my mama. We just pull up very in the morning. But right now you can see the sun outside, how it looks like. Man, let's go. So when I reach back home, I'll give full conversation, guys, because we talk in the vernacular language and then boom. So we are around here.
Wanakula kino kimiti kikiri yatabo miyuri aikara ko kenge ngombe manyanki ade mu yati era ngo mai kanu ndikire basi tena amo kuzia kukuika bali weke bali ni bali kama sasa atu bongo ila mendenge au mendenge.
Alright guys, so just been in the hospital. Mama climbing, so let's go. Yeah, we are in Akdiva. Mindra.
Kuna uzimuzi tuwane kwa mbako mwenye ndio kwa hata na rama haya anasanga.
Alright guys, I'm back home and I want to explain what my grandma tried to say in the morning. So guys, very in the morning I was sleeping and then I received the call and then I was supposed to be in a hospital and my mom, and also there is one of our elderly grandpa and it's our family member, so he was needed there by my grandma, and then I took him there and also my mama, and then he gave us a lot of stories here and there, and then there is money needed to pay, you know, to discharge out my grandma. So guys, to be honest, like she was creating stories here and there, you know, like concerning to our family. And also I will say okay, and then I asked her, how do you feel? She told me, I feel so better, but the main thing that I calling you here is to be having this message. And then while she was talking, I was recording with my phone, and then I keep as an information, you know. So when she came back from the hospital, I'll show her. And also yeah, so like it's a lot stories, even other words I can't maybe understand them, because other are tough for me, because they are talking deeply with our old grandpa, which was seeing him on the hospital. But anyway guys, send good prayers guys every day, so my grandma anytime she will be back in home guys. So yeah, the doctor calling us very in the morning, you know, like your grandma needed your mom here and also you, and then like there's somebody who's staying with my grandma in the hospital, and then come with so and so, and then I do that one guys, by supporting me, you know, with that bike. Me every day said, like, through your support, have that bike, it's helped me a lot guys, going here and there, right, left, center, you know, looking for the content, not only content, you know, supporting my family. That bike that you see right there. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming guys. I want to end my video with you, and I hope everybody are doing good. So for my premiere again, you'll get these videos in good time. So I appreciate guys, you know, I was going through since morning, and then I back home, so I need to settle down, and then editing these videos. And from that, actually my videos are not like, I'm not supposed to edit because it's raw and uncut, because the way I'm filming, the way it is, I just upload the way it is. Yes guys, there is a day I was being surprised with some gift from UK, and then I have been told to wear those boots, because riding the bike here, like normal ride around, it's totally cold. Yes, I need this, my boot. Okay. Yeah, naenda vipanguze. Yeah guys, this is another surprise from my UK guys, all the way from UK to my village, you know, in the year of 2023, I think, there around maybe around October. Yeah, these are brand new shoes, and I love this. Maybe when I'm traveling, I will wear this boot, going to the jungle, and it's new. Yeah, yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next videos. In case you're new here guys, please subscribe, and also check out Felistas. At the same time, check out David Jr. Subscribe to their channel guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, you know. So yeah man, what I believe, family is family, you know, and everything soon will be okay guys, you know. I want to settle down, and then things will be okay guys. So I want to say bye bye.